Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you this crazy, amazing app called iTranslate Converse, and it promises to do real-time translation of conversations. So if you're having a conversation in two different languages, so you're speaking English and someone else is speaking Spanish, for example, it promises to translate both ways in real time. So I'm really excited to try this app, see if it keeps up to the promise that it's making, but it's telling you it's real-time, translate voice in real time. So let's go ahead and give it a try. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know my review of the app from 0 to 5. So I've downloaded the app here. Let me go ahead and open the app. And you have to sign up for a free trial to get to this page of the app. And then after the free trial, you could always cancel, but it is a monthly membership kind of an app. I believe it's $5 a month if you want to try out the app, but I have a 7-day free trial to show you how this goes. So transform your iPhone into a translation device. So let's go through the first page, and you obviously have to give it access to your microphone, otherwise it's not going to work. So I'm going to grant it access to my microphone and my speech recognition, so those two. And now I have to set my languages. So it says basically swipe up, very straightforward. So I'm going to click here. So now I have two different languages to choose from. I'm going to choose English here. That's the one on the bottom. And then on top, I want to choose Spanish. So this is going to translate from English to Spanish. Look at some of the other options as well. Arabic, Chinese, Mandarin, Dutch, English. Looks like it has a lot of different options when it comes to languages, about over 20, close to 30 languages here. So I'm going to press done here, but I want to do English to Spanish here. And then when I'm done, I just basically got rid of that page. I came back to this page. So now I got to tap and hold to translate English to Spanish. So let me go ahead and tap. And as I have this conversation here with you, it's going to start recording and transcribing. So let me let go and see what happens. So as I spoke out loud in English, it automatically translated to Spanish for me on the fly, and it read it back out. And for my limited understanding of Spanish, it seems to be doing a good job. Let me click to settings here and let's see what other option it has. So transcript, it actually gives you the transcript of, I've used this a couple of times now, and it has my transcript here. So it has my English and my Spanish transcript of every conversation I had. That is super helpful to have here. And under settings, you basically could see your account and manage your subscription here. But the app is really that straightforward. On the homepage, you basically hold it down and you speak as you would in the language that you want translated. When you let go, it reads it back as it translates it. And the moment I press on the screen, it pauses the reading back to translation. So it's that simple. Let me just try a different translation here. So let me go from English to Chinese here, and let me go back to the home page here, and let me hold down. Now I'm doing English to Chinese, and I'm again holding it down. Let me let go here and see what happens. It seems like it's working pretty well, but again, I don't know these other languages that it's translating to, so why don't you give it a try and let me know in the comment section how well it's doing the translation if you speak some of these other languages, and then we could then give it a rating. I don't want to give it a rating because from looking at the app and how easy to use, it's a complete 5 out of 5. But I want to know how well it's doing the translation. So please give it a try. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and then in the comments and in the description, I'll give it my rating after I hear back from the people watching this video. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I post app of the day videos just like this one multiple times a week so you never miss the next great app, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.